Alice Minister calls out Governor Byrd for misleading statements and libelous attacks. Media statement, March 30th, 2025. The Minister for Police, Honorable Peter Tsiamalili Jr., MP, has strongly condemned the recent misleading public statements made by the Governor of East Sepik Province, Honorable Alan Byrd, MP, regarding ongoing police counterterrorism operations and the Counterterrorism Act 2024. Governor Byrd has taken to Facebook to issue false claims about the act and has personally attacked the reputation of the state minister for police. His deliberate attempt to mislead the public and incite negative feedback against the government is both irresponsible and unlawful under the Cybercrime Act 2016. Deliberate misinformation and abuse of public trust. It is deeply concerning that Governor Byrd, an elected leader, is choosing to distort facts and mislead our people on critical security matters, Minister Tsiamalili stated. Parliament's standing orders are clear on how laws are made. The Counterterrorism Act 2024, like every other law, underwent 3 readings and a full debate on the floor of Parliament before it was passed with an overwhelming majority vote of 84-0. The governor is correct in admitting that he is not a lawyer. However, as a lawmaker, he has a duty to uphold the legislative process and refrain from misrepresenting laws that he participated in passing. His current rhetoric suggests either a lack of understanding of the law or a deliberate attempt to mislead the public for political gain, irresponsible use of social media, and legal consequences. Minister Tsiamalili cautioned Governor Byrd about the dangers of using social media platforms to spread false information and incite public discontent. Governor Byrd has chosen to use Facebook, not parliamentary debate, to make reckless and defamatory statements against my office and the government. If he had genuine concerns, he had every opportunity to raise them within Parliament, where he is protected by parliamentary privilege. But outside of Parliament, his baseless allegations amount to libel and are subject to legal consequences. The Cybercrime Act 2016 is clear on the unlawful use of digital platforms to spread false information with the intent to incite public disorder and defame individuals. No elected leader is above the law. Clarifying the Counterterrorism Act 2024. Minister Tsiamalili reaffirmed that the Counterterrorism Act is solely focused on combating violent crime and does not infringe upon constitutional rights. The Act specifically targets serious violence, terrorist activities, and organized crime. It criminalizes acts such as assassination attempts on public officials, ethnic violence, and orchestrated terror campaigns. It does not restrict free speech, lawful protests, or academic discourse, as falsely claimed by Governor Byrd. I commend our students nationwide who were not misled and continued their forums and debates responsibly. Regulating social media in national security interests. Minister Tsiamalili also addressed concerns regarding the temporary restriction of Facebook, a move that was necessary to maintain national security. The decision to regulate Facebook was not made lightly. Discussions on social media regulation have been ongoing for years under previous governments, with consultation from NICTA and DICT. Section 17 of the Act empowers the police commissioner to issue directives to prevent terrorist activities and stop violence before it escalates. The temporary restriction of Facebook was one such directive, executed to safeguard lives and prevent widespread unrest. I commend the police commissioner for taking decisive action when needed. Preventing violence sometimes requires tough but necessary decisions. Holding leaders accountable for their statements. Minister Tsiamalili concluded by calling on Governor Byrd to act responsibly and to stop misleading the public with reckless statements. Governor Byrd should denounce criminals and warlords instead of using his platform to attack law enforcement efforts. I urge him to respect his role as a parliamentary leader, exercise responsible communication, and stop inciting public discord through misleading Facebook posts. As police minister, my priority remains ensuring the safety of our people, upholding the rule of law, and protecting the integrity of national security operations. I will not allow misinformation and personal attacks to distract from our duty to serve the nation.